Hi guys, welcome to my channel Code to Build. So let's start. This name Code to Build is inspired from coding or programming. As you know, a programmer just code to build something interesting that can make a difference. As you know, this is the very first video on our channel, so I would like to have a general discussion around few things today about us. At the end of the video, you will be able to know about this channel, its vision, and about the host of Code to Build. So let's discuss first about Code to Build. Nowadays, IT industry is one of the biggest industry of the world, and it is growing exponentially, and everyone knows about the competition in this field. So it is required to have good skills, and that is something college education cannot fulfill due to certain limitations and old course structures. Code to Build is a place where we are providing free mentorship on software development. You can learn to code and use that skill to build something as per your interest or requirements of the world. Our target is to provide project-based learning so that you can gain as much as possible. Anyone who has a strong passion towards programming can join us. It may be a college student, working professional, and someone who wants to switch their career to IT. Here at Code to Build, our mission is to build a bridge between college education and industry standards. If you have a mentor who can show you a roadmap to follow and help you in between, then we believe that it is enough for anyone to succeed. Our mission is to make people fall in love with coding. So now all content is free on our YouTube channel Code to Build. We are covering all the topics from very basic to advanced level concepts. It is project-based learning experience and all the best practices of software development there. Doubt discussion and Q&A support on our Discord channel is also available, and many more features there. So it is time to discuss about the host. It's me, Ashish Kumar Goyal, who is the host of this channel. I will be responsible for the content and its delivery here at Code to Build. So let's talk about my experience. I have more than 4.5 years of experience in working with IT industry. My area of expertise is software development. Currently, I am associated with Publicis Sapient India as a senior associate of technology. Mainly I am responsible for front-end track there. I have worked with service-based and product-based companies as well. As I have a passion towards teaching, so I also joined few e-learning companies like Upgrade, Geeks for Geeks and Coding Blogs as a mentor, technical writer, and so on. If you want to know more about me, then please visit www.ashishkrgoyal.com. Now, if you want to stay connected with us, then you can join us on our Discord channel server. The link is as this: bit.ly/code to build Discord. You can follow us on Insta, Twitter, and Facebook with the same username code2build.in. Thank you. Stay tuned. Many more to come.